Most people think e-commerce information systems are just websites where people buy products. That's too shallow. An e-commerce website is only the front face. Behind it, there is a complete information system managing products, customers, orders, payments, inventory, delivery, returns, marketing, analytics, and customer support. In simple words, an e-commerce information system is the digital engine that allows a business to sell online and manage everything behind the sale. Think about a customer buying a pair of shoes online. The customer opens the website, searches for shoes, checks sizes, adds one pair to cart, applies a discount code, pays online, receives confirmation, tracks delivery, and maybe later returns the product. To the customer, this looks simple, but behind the scenes, many systems are working together. The product catalog shows available items. The inventory system checks stock. The payment system processes money. The order system creates the purchase record. The warehouse system prepares packing. The delivery system tracks shipment. The CRM stores customer information. The analytics system studies customer behavior. That is the real meaning of an e-commerce information system. It connects the full online buying journey. In information systems, e-commerce is not just about selling products online. It is about managing the flow of information between the customer, the website, the business, the payment provider, the warehouse, and the delivery network. For example, when a product is out of stock, the website should not keep selling it. When a payment succeeds, the order should be created properly. When an order is shipped, the customer should receive tracking updates. When a customer abandons their cart, the system may send a reminder. When sales increase for one product, the business should know to reorder stock. When customers complain about delivery delays, management should see the pattern. This is how e-commerce becomes an information system, not just an online shop. A proper e-commerce system usually includes product management, customer accounts, shopping cart, checkout, payment gateway, inventory tracking, order management, warehouse integration, delivery tracking, return management, customer support, marketing automation, and reporting. If these parts are disconnected, the business becomes messy very quickly. The website may show stock that does not exist. Customers may pay but not receive confirmation. Orders may be missed by the warehouse. Returns may not be tracked properly. Customer complaints may repeat without management noticing. Marketing may promote items that are unavailable. That is not an e-commerce problem only. That is an information system problem. Because the real issue is broken information flow. This is why companies like Amazon are not powerful only because they have a website. They are powerful because their information systems connect product search, recommendations, stock, warehouses, pay livery, customer reviews, seller data, and analytics at massive scale. Shopify is also powerful because it gives smaller businesses access to many e-commerce system functions without building everything from scratch. Platforms like Daraz, eBay, and Alibaba work the same way. Their value is not only in listing products. Their value is in managing millions of transactions, sellers, customers, payments, logistics, and trust signals through information systems. But here's the catch. E-commerce can look simple from outside and still be extremely difficult inside. Getting online orders is not the real challenge. Managing them correctly is. If stock is inaccurate, customers get angry. If delivery is slow, trust drops. If payments fail, sales are lost. If product information is poor, customers hesitate. If return policies are messy, support becomes overloaded. If cybersecurity is weak, customer data is at risk. So an e-commerce business needs more than a good-looking website. It needs reliable systems. Clean product data, accurate stock, secure payments, fast order processing, clear delivery tracking, strong customer support, useful analytics, and proper cybersecurity. Business intelligence also plays a big role in e-commerce. It helps answer questions like, which products sell most? Which pages convert better? Where are customers dropping off? Which marketing campaign brings profitable customers? Which product has high returns? Which customers are likely to buy again? Without this insight, the business is just guessing. And today, AI is making e-commerce systems even more powerful. AI can recommend products, personalize offers, write product descriptions, detect fraud, predict demand, automate customer support, optimize prices, and identify customers who may leave. But again, AI cannot fix a weak foundation. If product data is poor, recommendations will be poor. If inventory is wrong, automation will create more mistakes. If customer data is messy, personalization becomes useless. If delivery operations are weak, no AI chatbot can save the customer experience. That is the brutal truth. E-commerce success is not just about traffic, ads, or beautiful design. It is about building an information system that can handle the full journey from product discovery to final delivery. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple: to understand e-commerce information systems as the hidden engine behind online business. Because every time you click Buy Now, you are not just using a website. You are triggering a chain of information, payments, inventory, logistics, data, and decisions. And the businesses that manage that chain better are the ones that win online.